The first impression of your CV is all about a clear structure. So you should be aware when writing a CV, be very specific, targeting the things that a job ad is asking for. Put only this information that is relevant, be specific with this information, and leave all other information away. Structure it in a very clear and nice way, because this makes it very easy for the recruiter to get what you're actually writing and stating there. Name and state your full name, your address, your birth date, and your availability. It's actually very common, but sometimes the address is missing. Also state your contact details like telephone number or email address in a very nice structure so everybody can see it straight away. Be aware that nowadays the pre-selection is done by a program software, so it's an algorithm. So be very specific with the backpack that you bring along, meaning your scientific skills, your methods. State all the methods that you're capable of and that are asked in the job description. Because you might be selected or not selected because this keyword is not present in your CV. So think like an algorithm and just put those words matching the job description. They should be visible and easily visible. Be aware that your CV should be maximum 2 pages, because otherwise it's getting too long. Your CV should be always tailored and targeting a specific job description. So think about all the applications that you're doing, and for each job description, if it's not the same position, think of how you rearrange your CV, because it should be very specific to the job description. Be aware that your CV applying for a research position within academia or within industry is very different than if you apply for a non-research position. If you apply for a non-research position, your translational skills and your personality should be a lot more present and grabbable in your CV. Always be aware that a recruiter checks first the CV and then afterwards the motivation letter. So think and be strategic in what you put in your CV and what is really your unique selling point. It should be visible in your CV. Be specific with your hobbies. The hobbies state your passion, and if you state that you like to read, be specific and name what you like to read, or if you're doing hobby, write how long you're doing it. Be specific, because we really like it to grab your personality by this. It is important. Overall, we need to see your skill set and your personality. So this is what it's all about, because we are selecting based on these 2 criteria. If you have questions or if you need input, please book a one-to-one with one of the Kelly consultants for a CV check.